A folding pocket knife is an essential tool that offers versatility, convenience, and portability. Whether you need it for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, or emergency situations, having a reliable folding pocket knife can make all the difference. However, with a plethora of options available in the market, finding the best folding pocket knife under $50 can be quite challenging. In this guide, we have meticulously researched and compiled a list of the top folding pocket knives that strike the perfect balance between quality, functionality, and affordability. These knives embody excellent craftsmanship, durable construction, and impressive performance, all within a budget-friendly price range. So, whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman, an avid camper, or simply looking for a dependable everyday carry, etc., tool, we've got you covered. 5 Case 20WR Pocket Knife. The Case 20WR pocket knife with synthetic handle and chrome vanadium blades trapper is a highly regarded folding knife option. It has received positive reviews and has a rating of 7.9 out of 10 based on user satisfaction, build quality, convenience, design, portability, size, and value for money. The knife features a synthetic handle and chrome vanadium blades, offering durability and performance. It is considered giftable and has similarities to other camping folding knives offered by Case 20. While the overall sentiment is mostly positive, around 27% of reviews had a negative sentiment. 4 AVIVA Altus Pocket Folding Knife. The AVIVA Altus is a highly regarded knife in the AVIVA lineup. It features G10 scales and a Nitro V steel, flat ground, drop point blade. The knife has a fairly nondescript profile, size, and weight, with good grip and waterproof, corrosion-proof G10 scales. The Nitro V steel is a notable feature, offering increased toughness, corrosion resistance, and excellent edge retention. The blade profile is versatile and suitable for various tasks. The Altus has dual thumb studs, a smooth ball bearing mechanism, and a button lock for easy opening and added safety. It also has a pocket clip for tip-up deep carry. Despite its understated appearance, the Altus impresses with its practical design, excellent steel, and solid ergonomics. It is recommended for those seeking a reliable pocket knife with good ergonomics, a durable build, and high-quality steel. 3 CRKT PLR, Everyday Carry. CRKT, Columbia River Knife and Tool, is a relatively new knife company established in 1994. Despite its short time in the industry, CRKT has gained popularity for its innovative designs and collaborations with renowned knife makers. However, the use of inexpensive materials has been a drawback for some knife enthusiasts. In recent years, CRKT has made efforts to address these concerns. Selecting the top 10 CRKT knives is challenging due to the company's frequent release of new models and discontinuations. One notable series is the M16, originally designed by the late Kit Carson, which played a significant role in CRKT's success. The M16 series offers numerous variations, making it difficult to navigate the extensive range. The M16 14 SFG is particularly well liked among consumers. 2 Case 20WR Pocket Knife Marilla EDC. The Case Marilla is a modern pocket knife introduced by Case Knives in 2021. It departs from the traditional designs typically associated with Case and features a one-handed flip opening mechanism. The knife has a 3.4 inches CPM S35 VN drop point blade with a saber taper and aggressive jimping on the spine. The blade shape is versatile and suitable for various tasks, from opening packages to outdoor activities like skinning or whittling. The handle is made of anodized aluminum with a G10 inlay, providing a strong and reliable grip even in wet conditions. The knife opens smoothly with a flip of the wrist, thanks to the ball-bearing pivot, and features a nice ambidextrous deep carry pocket clip. The CPM S35 VN steel is known for its excellent edge retention, making it a reliable choice. Overall, the Case Marilla is a well-designed flipper knife from an iconic American brand and is available for around $136. 1 Coast Shift, EDC Replaceable Blade. The True Swift Edge Replaceable Blade Knife offers the convenience of replaceable blades in the form factor of a pocket knife. It features a G10 composite handle, a ball-bearing flipper mechanism, and a patent-pending 2-step blade release system for easy blade switching. The knife comes with 4 blades, 1 tanto, 2 drop points, and 1 saw. It is available for $49.99 on the True.ug brands.com website, with replacement drop point blades sold separately. A similar knife with 7 blades can be found on Amazon for $25.95. The knife provides a sharp and portable solution, but it may be challenging to clean and the thick bolster could affect the depth and length of cuts, especially when using the saw. In conclusion, there are several excellent folding pocket knives available for under $50. These knives offer great value for their price, combining affordability with functionality. They may not have the high-end materials and features of more expensive options, but they still provide reliable performance for everyday carry and general tasks.